In this video, I'm going to show you how to fold a parchment triangle to create a piping bag for buttercream or royal icing. Whether you're starting from a roll of parchment paper or a pre-cut parchment triangle, this video has you covered. If you're new here and want to improve your cake decorating skills, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload more inspiring and practical cake decorating videos. To make a parchment piping bag, you'll need either a roll of parchment paper or a pre-cut parchment triangle and a pair of scissors. This is how the parchment triangle should look as it's placed in front of you. We'll be rolling corners 1 and 2 toward corner 3 in a very specific manner. Corner 3 will always be closest to us as we create our parchment bag. If you're starting from a roll of parchment, you'll want to pull out a piece and fold one corner to be perpendicular to the opposite side like this. Next, you'll want to cut this fold, and this will become the top edge of our triangle. Now we're ready to form our parchment triangle into a bag. Starting with corner 1, we will roll it down to the front of corner 3. Next, we'll roll corner 2 down to wrap around to the back of corner 3. All 3 corners now meet with corner 1 inside of the bag, corner 3 in the center, and corner 2 on the outside of the bag. Now we take corners 1 and 2 and slide them to the left and right to form a letter M in conjunction with corner 3. The tip will be formed into a cone like this. Next, we will take all 3 corners and fold them into the bag. This is easier to do if you lay all corners flat like this. From here, we take our scissors and we're going to make 2 cuts to create a tab. And this tab is going to be to the side of the seam that's running along the back of our bag. Once the tab is cut, we fold the tab into our bag to further secure it, and we're all done. Next, we'll follow the same steps with our pre-cut parchment triangle. And here are the 2 parchment bags we just created, ready to be filled with buttercream or royal icing. My channel is full of great cake decorating tutorials and advice, so subscribe and turn on notifications to be first to view, like, comment, and share when I upload a new video. As always, thanks for watching.